Hey Dro,
What's up?
can you tell the viewers what we're doing today?
We're installing a new turbo.
Get it faster, faster. Oh yeah.
It's hella hard, bro. They're on the back.
No. Hey, wait, show me what happened.
I put that thing in there and it got stuck. No, it's
The socket came off in the engine bay.
Those cups right there by the.
Hey Zay. I don't even think I can show you what we're trying to get at. It's way down in there. It's deep in there, bro. Right there. That one is the one we need right there. There's no way. There's no way. Let's just pull the motor.
We're gonna have to, bro.
I'm down. Hey Joe, we're gonna have to pull the motor.
What's up?
So, is that loosen or is this loosen? Loose or loose?
Whatever one makes it go to the left.
This one.
Wait. I think I got it.
Did you?
Wait. Go.
Oh. Did you get it?
I think I
Yeah, he got it.
Ricardo Hall.
What the fuck?
Nah.
Cherry picker time?
I didn't even do it.
Wait, but you could pull it out now, can't you? Like pull it down.
So.
You could just put a new bowl.
Yeah. What's going on?
See right here?
Yeah.
Watch.
Uh-huh.
Look.
Right. It's just spinning?
It's just spinning. But look, this is coming off.
No, yeah, we
It's
got
off.
it. Yeah, it's good
just-
now. Cut it, fool. That's the only way.
It's gonna be quick release. That's not gonna have the bowl.
Dang. One problem leads to another, I swear. Yeah, like that, and then... Is it going?
It's just, I think you just skipped a thread.
What's up?
What's up, vlog?
What do you want?
Did you get it?
Lo quebramos.
Si no vas a ayudar, no me hables.
Hey.
Hey.
Did you get it?
Yeah, we got it. We just need the other side.
How bad is the bolt?
Huh?
How bad is the bolt?
Oh, do you really want to see?
I wanted to show.
There it is.
What the fuck? It's not even bad.
We broke it off. Go.
Go, Ricardo Hulk. Oh.
That shit about to snap.
You feel it, huh?
Yeah, I feel it.
Oh.
No?
These are fucking shit bolts.
Oh, hold on. Focus, focus.
For my Christmas.
I got stuck on there again. It's not focusing, but yeah, you guys, you could tell. It's on there. You broke it again.
Oh, you were so close to the paint, I got scared. Oh, you're so close.
Got it, fool. After 2 hours.
Now we gotta get the other one out, bro.
Oh no,
Dang.
you had a drone. What you do?
Bro, I had to go Ricardo Holt, bro.
You're gonna have to wait until you watch the vlog.
Yeah.
And then just pull it back.
Here.
Or pull it up and then out.
It's done.
Oh, go, fool. Strong man.
Ricardo, if you're looking for a stud, you don't got like one.
There you go, that's fine. You don't gotta put it too much because it'll crack.
You know me so well.
Who's this guy? Bro, it's dark now. We're not done. One done. One to go.
In there. Is it push it in all the way in? Wait, I got it. I'll spin it. Correct. Hopefully it'll.
No leaks, hopefully.
Hopefully.
Done though. Done.
Hey, pull me out.
Like
pull me out.
5 hours later. Oh, that sounds way deeper than last time. Damn, how does it feel, bro? Being rich.
Hey, look at this, bro. You see this, bro? Leather interior. Where the fuck else are you gonna get that shit? Look at this fucking steering wheel. This is a $40,000 steering wheel, bro.
Hey, Zeus, do it a little bit.
There. See, no leaks. Do you hear that?
Go.
Do it again.
Ooh, that's loud.
That sounds
I'm gonna
good.
give you a good one. I'm gonna give you a good one. There, no leaks. Hey, can I give you a good one? Yeah.
Alright, that's good.
Huh?
That's good.
Good stuff, bro.
Ricardo Hogue, bro.
Ricardo Hulk.
That sounds
Hey,
really good.
couldn't have been done without you, bro.
Thank you.
We couldn't do this without Ricardo
You
Hulk.
have done it without me, bro. I'm the one who started the fucking car.
There
we go. So we put in the test pipes. Now making 7,000 horsepower in stock
Mm-hmm.
internals. 7,000 millimeter turbos. And it's got negative 3,000 degrees of camber, so it's like that. So when you put it down, it's
Mm-hmm.
like, you know what I mean? So watch.
This jacket is sketch.
Let me know. They're gonna bring it down right now. We're gonna see just how much of a stance god he is.
Back at the brake.
Stance god right here. Look at this shit, bro.
I'm going slowly. So, man. Yeah.
Oh, that drop.
I don't know why my wheel thing goes so fucking big, but
Stance
that's
God.
for another day.
Wait, did you add the camera?
Alright, end the video.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, drop a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys want next. And on that note, I'll see you guys next time.